Hello, in front of me I've got REALME Pad Mini. In this video I'll show you how to manage File Manager. In the beginning, let's go to App Drawer and search for Files app. Enter it, and thanks to Files app you've got access to internal storage of your smartphone, nearby share function, thanks to which you can quickly send and receive files, clean function, thanks to which you can clean junk files from the tab, and recycled bin, thanks to which you've got access to your recently deleted files. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.